Hello, how are you guys? I hope you guys doing well. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different, right? We're gonna open this box. I'm not gonna use my Cricut this time. I'm gonna actually use this machine. This is a small label maker machine. I am very excited because sometimes you have to do things for your kids, like, label things for school that you don't really want to open your Cricut for just that, and it's really small, and you really, if you're a mother, you know that you don't really have time for that. So this will make your life way easier. So I just want to do a open box of this and see how it works, and maybe this will make your life easier for the back to school. So here we go. So I just want to say something. This is like, so it's not heavy at all. So it's very light, to tell you the truth, super light. This is super cute. Looks like a bear. I love it. Oh man, this is gonna make my life so easy with the back to school. So here's where you open it, and you put the paper here. You will see that later on. I just add this on. You put it here so you can, grab it, and that way if you need to move it around, it doesn't fall on the floor. So, and it comes with papers here, so you don't have to buy extra if you don't want to. But I mean, this is super cute. I love the dinosaurs. I'm 100% sure that my daughter is gonna love this ones. So I think I'm gonna use this one for this video. They're BPA free, environmental friendly, and durable. So, and this ones that you saw before, they are like this. So they're more for I will say they look more for adults. So, but they're really cute. So let's read the instructions. So here's where you get the app, where you need to download it. You can just type Print Maker. It works for Google Play and Apple in the App Store for Apple. So here we are in the app. You have the option of just enter as a guest, or you can just register. For now, I'm just gonna do guest. We have to turn on the machine so we can, connect to the app. So when you see your machine that pops in here, you just press the machine, because this is the one, because you have to connect it to your Bluetooth. That pops in there because I still don't have the paper inside the machine. Keep in mind that you may have to charge your machine before using it. It tells you in the instruction to leave it for 2 hours. If you can connect it to your app, or if you have any problems, try to charge your machine before I start using it. So make sure not to take this label out. So the app already saw that I put the paper on. So we're going here, and you see the machine already knows, the app already knows that I'm using this paper. That's awesome. So let's make a label. So here you can change the size of the font You can change everything, the fonts, everything. So now that we have what we have, let's print this and see how it works. So here's the first one, and it came out beautiful, perfect. I didn't have to do anything. That's amazing. Wow. So here, I have something to put it on. Wow. Make sure when you pull your label, just pull it really fast like this, so you don't pull the paper there is inside, because look at the difference. When I pull the paper just to take the first one out, it took it out of the, you know, the sink, I guess, and it went a little bit to the left. But when I pull it really fast, it stays there. This is so beautiful. I'm so in love. You can put it in every single thing for your kids. This is amazing. At least for the back to school, that, you know, at least my kids' school, they make me put her name in everything. So this is so easy to do, and it fast, you know, like you don't really have to think about it. Just to make it fast, this is the tool you need. I don't know why I didn't have this before, but this is amazing, so you should get it. I'm telling you, I'm not lying, really. This is amazing. So again, I think you should check it out. I'm gonna put it on my description so you can, you know, see it, and if you like it, get it. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like it, and share. And again, like always, God bless you. See you in the next video.